Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic of fourth chapter, chicken and rabbit problems. So these are all like trial and error problems. So let's see questions, then you will understand so how we are going to do this one. So a farmer has 30 chickens and rabbits all together. So he's not saying that 30 is related to only chickens or only rabbits. It's both 30 chickens and rabbits. Okay, so there are only 100 legs. Okay, so he has given two subjects, chicken and rabbit, and there are only 100 legs. Find the number of chickens and the number of rabbits that the farmer has. So we can do these questions in different ways, but as a beginner I feel this is the easiest one. So let's see here. So what I will do, so I will consider only I have rabbits. Okay, so rabbits has like 4 eggs, right? The more value. Okay, so I will think that subject has all, we don't have other subject. So let's see, because I need to guess the value. So for guessing I'm taking this one as my first sample. Okay, so we will get like 5 columns for 2 subjects and the 2 attributes, the subject attribute like legs. Okay, so number of rabbits, number of chickens, and this is rabbit's leg, and second one is a second subject one, and then total legs. So what I will do, first I will consider only we have rabbits. So I want to see how much the highest value. So if I have only rabbits, so all 30 belongs to rabbits, then we have how many legs? We have 120 legs. So but he said actually 100 legs. So from there I will reduce my rabbits and I will increase my chickens. Okay, so which combination satisfies this 100 legs concept? So then that combination I will take it as my answer. So 30 and then no more chickens, no more chicken legs, and then rabbit legs we have 120, and chicken legs no more, and total legs are 120. Okay, so now I'll try to reduce the rabbits and chickens. I'll reduce rabbits to, because as I'm getting more value, I'll reduce to 20, and here chickens I'll reduce to 10. So let's see, 20, if I'm getting lower than 100, I will try to increase it, rabbits. Okay, so 20 times 4 which is equal to 80, and then 10 times 2 which is equal to 20. Okay, so yeah, I got the exact value. So yeah, that's how sometimes we use for the second guess itself we are getting the exact value. If you didn't get like in your second guess or third guess, so we need to increase or decrease the values. So we need to see the combinations, then which one should be increased, which one should be decreased. So depending upon value we need to decide. So it's okay if you didn't get in this question, it's fine completely. We have some more questions there, we will get the this kind of situation. So I will show you then how to do there. Okay, so one more thing, so for the most of the questions you will get mostly this combination. So if you want, you can check this combination first before you proceed to the next guessing. Okay, so 20 10 is a famous combination for a lot of questions. So but of course we can't guarantee, so it depends upon which level you are attempting. Okay, so let's see the next question. Samantha has 30 pieces of $2 and $5 notes altogether. The total value of the money she has is $120. Find the number of pieces of $2 notes and the number of pieces of $5 notes that Samantha has. Okay, so here we have two subjects, $2 and $5. So number of $2 and $5 notes, and the attribute is the value of the money. So the total value of the money she has is $120. So number of $2 notes and number of $5 notes. So as I told, you have five blocks. Okay, and this is the value of your $2 and this is the value of $5. So 4 columns like that, and one more column for the total value. Okay, total value. So let's see, we'll think that all we have only $5. Okay, so let's take 30 and then no $2 at all. So value of 30 is 150, right? So 150, and the total we will get it 150, so which is far away from our 120. So this is a wrong combination. So let's reduce your 5 and increase your 2. So 20, 10. So 20 means the value of $5 is $100. Sorry, I wrote it as 200. It's supposed to be 100. Okay, and then value of $2 is like $20. So 100 plus 20, which is 120. So this one also we got our answer in the second guess itself. Okay, I told you, right, for a beginner level, for the most of the questions you can see this combination. Okay, let's proceed to our next question. There were a total of 30 cars and motorcycles at a car park. So there were 100 wheels in all. How many cars were there at the car park? Okay, so there were total of how many cars and motorcycles? There were 30. So let's draw a table. So where we will have 5 columns, 2 subjects, that is cars and motorcycles, and the attribute is wheels. Okay, car, motorcycle, and total wheels of a car and total wheels of a motorcycle. Then again total of all. So let's take initial guess. We have only cars. Then we will see what's the maximum value we will get it. So let me draw the table, it will take time. Then we have total. So let's guess our first one. First guess, we have 4 wheels for cars and 2 wheels for motorcycle, and here we have 30 and the total number of wheels for cars, which is equal to 120. So what's the answer he's saying? But he's saying only 100 wheels, so which is mismatch. And then I will just rule out this combination. Let's take again our famous combination 20, 10, and then we will get it our answer, because 20 times 4 80, and then 10 times 2, which is equal to 20. Okay, so the value is total number of wheels are 100. So that's how you need to do. Let's see the next question. So I hope it doesn't work here. So the famous combination method. So let's see, there are 30 questions in a mathematics competition. All questions must be answered. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer, and 2 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. If Amy scores 122 marks, how many questions does she answer correctly? Okay, so let's see here. So total number of questions in mathematics competition, 30 questions. Okay, and 5 marks awarded for every correct answer, 2 marks awarded. Okay, so here the subject is wrong and right answers. So total number of right answers and total number of wrong answers. And what's the marks we got for right answer, and next marks related to wrong answers. Okay, that's the value, that's the attribute. So total we have 5 columns, 2 columns for subject, so which is 5 marks 1, 2 marks 1, and then value of the 5 marks question, total value of the 5 marks questions, and total value of the 2 marks question. Then again we need to add the total marks. Okay, so now let's do the guessing. So what we need to do, total 30 questions are there. First we will think that all our questions are correct. So how many marks we will get it if all the correct questions are correct? So each question 5 marks, right? So 35 is 150, no more wrong answers, so we will get total marks 150, but which is not here. Here the total score is 122 marks, so our guessing is wrong. Now let's proceed to the next combination. So I want to take like 20, 10. 20 right answers means how much I will get it, 100. And here how many wrong answers, each one will get 2 marks deducted, right? 20. So total marks, how many I will get it? So 100 minus 20, which is equal to 80. I supposed to get 122. So my answer is too far from 122. So what I need to do? I need to increase my right answers value, and I need to decrease my wrong answers. So let's proceed to the 25. So 25 correct means how many marks I will get it? 125, and 5 wrong means 5 2s are 10. So 125 minus 10, so which is 115, but my answer is 122. So means my guessing still wrong. So I need to increase my right answers, need to decrease my wrong answers. Okay, let me do the next one. So I'll go for, because it's not too far, I will increase slowly now. So 27 I will increase, and then 3 wrong questions. So 27 times 5, which is 135, and 3 wrong means 6. So 135 minus 6, so the answer is 129. So again it's more, means the number of questions which are correct, it's more. So that's why I got more marks, but I supposed to get less marks than this. So my next guessing like 26. So 26 correct and 4 wrong. So then 26 times 5, which is 130, and 4 times 2, which is 8. So 130 minus 8, 122. So here you can see all the combination where we increased actual value and where we decreased actual value. So what you need to do, that's all we can see in this question. I told you, right? So we can work on this kind of questions too, don't worry. So that's how you need to do it. So depending upon your answer, so you need to know whether you need to increase or decrease. Sometimes your first subject need to increase, sometimes your second subject need to increase. It depends upon, so what's the context. Okay, so that's it for today's class. I hope you got all the problems. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.